Thinking of trading in your car when buying a Tesla? Tesla's trade-in program aims to simplify the switch to electric vehicles. This video breaks down the entire process, from online valuation to what happens on delivery day, incorporating the latest updates as of December 2025. We'll cover how to get a fair offer and ensure a smooth trade-in experience. The first step in Tesla's trade-in process is getting an online valuation. Start by visiting tesla.com and locating the trade-in tool, which you'll typically find under the Inventory or Buy section on their website. This interface allows you to enter your vehicle's details to receive an instant estimate. You'll see fields for your vehicle identification number and options to proceed with the valuation. You'll need to provide several key details about your vehicle. These include the make and model, year of manufacture, current mileage, overall condition rated as excellent, good, or fair, and your geographic location to ensure accurate regional pricing. The valuation tool employs advanced AI algorithms to process your input. It draws from real-time market data to reflect current prices and demand. Additionally, it integrates with Carfax to include detailed vehicle history, ensuring a comprehensive and accurate assessment. The result is an instant estimate tailored to your specific situation. For example, the Carfax integration provides reports like this one, showing ownership history, service records, and any reported accidents or damage. This helps Tesla deliver a precise valuation based on the vehicle's complete background. By combining all this information, Tesla's online valuation tool generates an instant estimate that reflects the true market value of your vehicle, making the first step in trading in your car both quick and reliable. If you're happy with the initial estimate from Tesla's online valuation tool, you can submit your information for a formal offer. This starts the official trade-in process. To ensure accuracy, Tesla might request a virtual inspection through their mobile app. You can upload photos or videos of your vehicle directly in the app. Alternatively, they may arrange for a third-party mechanic to perform an independent assessment. During the inspection, any issues like accidents, recalls, or poor condition can lead to adjustments in the final offer. For example, accidents or recalls might reduce the trade-in value to account for necessary repairs. Once the inspection is complete and any adjustments are made, you'll receive your final offer. This typically comes as a Tesla trade-in credit that you can apply directly to the purchase of a new Tesla vehicle. In some regions, you might receive a cash equivalent instead. Comparing Tesla's trade-in offer to market value is crucial to ensure you're getting a competitive deal. While Tesla's valuations are convenient, they're often 5 to 10% lower than private sale prices. However, trading in avoids the hassles of selling privately. On delivery day at Tesla, make sure your trade-in vehicle is clean and well prepared. For gas-powered cars, ensure it's fully fueled. Have all necessary documents ready, including the title, registration, and service records. Tesla recommends removing all personal items from the vehicle. Their staff will handle the trade-in process on-site, including vehicle pickup and options for recycling or donation of non-functional cars. To ensure a smooth trade-in experience, schedule your delivery for a weekday when possible. This helps avoid weekend crowds and allows Tesla staff to provide more personalized service, often resulting in faster processing times. Bring your proof of insurance to the delivery location. Tesla requires this documentation to complete the trade-in process, and having it ready prevents any delays. Make sure it's current and matches the vehicle being traded in. Ensure your phone is fully charged and bring it to delivery. Tesla's process involves app-based confirmations and virtual inspections, so a charged device allows for smooth digital verification without interruptions. Be aware of potential administrative fees in some regions, which can range from a few $100s. Always double-check your final offer before accepting, comparing it with the initial valuation to ensure accuracy. For international buyers, carefully consider currency exchange rates when evaluating offers, as fluctuations can affect the final value. Also factor in import duties, which vary by country and can add significant costs to your trade-in. The electric vehicle market has experienced explosive growth in recent years. Since 2020, the global EV market has expanded dramatically, reaching projections of over $1,100 billion by 2030. This boom has significantly increased trade-in activity as more consumers switch to electric vehicles. A major trend driving Tesla trade-ins is the shift from hybrid vehicles to full electric models. Rising gasoline prices and growing environmental consciousness are pushing consumers to make this transition. Tesla's trade-in program accommodates these hybrid vehicles, offering competitive valuations for the switch. Tesla has enhanced convenience with mobile app integrations that allow on-the-go valuations. Customers can now use their smartphones to quickly assess trade-in values anywhere, making the process more accessible and encouraging more trade-ins. Looking ahead to 2030, Tesla trade-ins could become even more sophisticated. AI-driven valuations may use hyper-personalized data from IoT-enabled smart cars, providing more accurate offers. Additionally, partnerships with auto marketplaces could increase trade-in values by 15 to 20% through streamlined resale processes. According to Tesla's 2025 Impact Report, trade-ins accounted for 62% of U.S. deliveries in Q3, averaging $28,500 in value. A KBB survey found Tesla trade-in values are 8% higher than competitors, but 12% lower than private sales. Experts advise negotiating hard and watching for hidden fees. Tesla aims for 100% carbon-neutral operations by 2026, making trade-ins a key part of their sustainability efforts.